Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at some regional exclusive figures. Now I accidentally left my Gassosaurus and the Destructasaur Rex at home, so I will be making a part 2 of this video with those guys in it. As you can see, we have the Destructasaur lineup and battle damage lineup, as well as a Legacy Collection Raptor. Now I don't have the female set, that one's quite rare, but I was lucky enough to find the Raptor from the Marladoon set, so that's pretty cool. So we'll get right into it with the golden Pteranodon and the blue Raptor with some gold on its head. That one's a really cool figure. Here's a scan code. Back in the day, you could find these Destructasaur sets in at Toys R Us for I think $17. They're pretty cheap. They came with cages and little dinosaurs, and they have a magnetic feature in their mouths too, which is really neat. It'd be cool to see Mattel bring something like that back. So now we have the battle damage Proceratosaurus, the battle damage monolophosaurus, and the battle damage Herrerasaurus, all from the same lineup. Also feel free to press pause when scanning so you can get the scan code. Here's the black Raptor, or gray with black, the Triceratops, and the albertosaurus. Got a really cool color on this figure. There we go. If any of these figures did not scan for you, let me know in the comments and I'll feature them in the next scan code video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.